How to use Squarespace for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make your very own website using Squarespace. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into the video and let's make our very own awesome website. So when you come over to this website, the first thing that you have to do is create an account. So you can create an account by simply going over to the login section over here at the top and click on login. Now once you're over here, if you already have an account, you can just simply log in, but if you don't, you come over here at the top where it says create an account and then just simply click on create account. Now you can create an account with your email, but you can also create an account with Google. So whichever one you choose doesn't really matter. And if you click on more options, you will have more options. So you can sign in with your Apple account, your Facebook account, whichever one you want. But let's just go with Google because it's one of the most easiest ones out there and it doesn't really require any time at all. So I'm going to create an account and I will see you guys in the next part of this video. So once you've created an account, the website will look something like this, and over here it will take you to the template sections, but before it takes you there, you have to first answer a couple of their questions. Now you can answer their questions you want. You can either choose these options right here that they've given you, or you can describe your own site by giving a description in this box right here. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to skip these questions. Now once you've answered those questions or skipped those questions, you will see you will have a lot of different template options and they all look very nice. So depending upon the type of website that you want, you can just simply choose whichever template that you like and then we can just continue. So let's just assume that our website is based on food and restaurants. So at the top right here, as you can see, they've given us a different options for the topic of our website. So let's just click on food. You can choose whichever one you want. It can be any of these templates. You can click on all templates and it will show you all the templates that are available on this site. So, or if you have a specific niche, you can just simply choose that option. But for me, I'm mostly looking for a website which is food related. So I'm just simply going to click on food. And as you can see, these are some of the template options that have been provided to me at the top right here. Now let's just take a look and see which one looks the most professional yet elegant as well. And I think this one right here. So once you find a template that you are satisfied with, you can either click on start with this template or preview that template. So let's take a look at how it basically looks like. So hover your mouse over on that template and then just simply click on preview template. Give it a couple of seconds to load that template, and once it loaded up, you can just simply look at that template. Now this is how it basically will look like. So we have the name over here, we have the about section, classes, a video is playing in the background, and we have some gallery options. Yeah, this actually looks pretty nice. Now over here at the left side, you have a few different options. Now this is basically the desktop version. Let's take a look at the tablet or the laptop version. It's fairly similar, and looks pretty decent, looks very professional. Let's take a look at the mobile version. Yeah, very professional. Yeah, I quite like this template right here. Now let's choose this template. Now you can start with this template, but if you want to make some adjustments on this template, like change a little bit fonts, maybe some backgrounds and colors, stuff like that, all you have to do is view demo site. Click on view demo site. Now over here, this is how it will look like. So to make changes, all you have to do is click on start with this design. But if you want to get a full view of this website, you can just click on view demo site and it will give you the proper view of that website. But I think this is sufficient enough. So let's go ahead, edit this website, make a few different changes. So click on start with this design. Give it a few seconds to load up the website. Once it's loaded up, Squarespace will ask you to enter a few small details such as the site title, the name of that site. You can enter in any name that you want. I just enter in my restaurant because I can't think of any good names right now, and it's giving you a small tutorial on how you can edit it, but you don't need to watch that because I'm going to show you this right now in this video. So once the site is loaded up, it will look like this. So this is the assistant. Close that up, we don't need that because I'm going to show you all the things that you need. So this is how the website will look like. Okay, now how do you edit this website? So basically over here at the top right here you have the edit button over here, and on the left side you have all these different options. We have pages, we have design, we have comments. We'll get to that later, but for now let's just click on edit over here at the top. Click on edit, and as you can see, whenever we move our cursor or mouse over on a block, the blue box appears, and over here we can change everything. So this is the text. So for example, if you want to move this text, all you have to do is hover over this line over here, grab it, and then just move it up a bit wherever you want. You can just put it over here, doesn't really matter. You can also change the font or the heading or the style of that specific text, or change whatever you want, change it to whatever you want. Okay, it doesn't really matter. So, and as you can see, and you can also change the headings as well. You can paragraph, monoscope, whichever one you like. You can even add numbers, rows, and you can also delete that text just by clicking on this trash can icon over here. So for example, like this box right here, if I hover my mouse over it and click on it, this pen tool will appear. So all you have to do is click on it, then you can change this button over here. You can change the title or the join, you can change the text of it to anything that you want, and that's basically it. Show title, show design, everything. You can change all these options. This is basically the show the join button. Now if you click over here, the button will come over here. Show fee, that's the fee. You can change show description, like basically you can change everything. And at the bottom right here you have the align text. You can put it here at the center or the left side or the right side, it doesn't matter. Let's just keep it on the left side because I think that looks nice over there. Then just simply click on anywhere on the screen and it will disappear. So what about section? If you want to add a new section to your website, all you have to do is click on add section over here. And once you click on it, all these options will be presented to you. Now over here on the left side you have a few different options. So you have headlines, you have lists, gallery, images, quote, text, or video. Now and you will have all these options right here. So let's just assume that you want to add a video to your website, showcasing some of your skills or showcasing some of the qualities that your restaurant provides. So all you have to do is click on video, then choose a template which is most suitable for your liking. So let's just choose this one over here because I think it looks really nice. You've got the video on the left side and you have a small description on the right side. So let's just choose this one right here. Now once you've chosen a video, all you have to do is click on video and click on edit, and then over here all you have to do is change the URL and then just simply change the thumbnail, and if you want you can even add captions as well. So just change the URL to your own video and change the thumbnail. You can even remove the thumbnail or you can edit the thumbnail in image editor. Wait for it to load, and over here as you can see we have all these different options. So we have brightness, we have contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, highlights, shadows, whatever. So let's just dim it down a bit, increase the shadow, increase the contrast a little bit. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Decrease a few different highlights and sharpen the image a little bit, and that's basically it. I think that looks pretty nice. Now you can click on the reset button to revert all the changes, and then just click on the save button to save. What if you want to crop? All you have to do is come over here on the right side of the corner and you will have the crop option, and you will also have the filters. So you have pre-made filters if you don't want to go through the hassle of making all of these adjustments in front of you. All you have to do is click on the filters and choose whichever filter you want. Let's just go on the crop. Now as we can see, we can crop this image into however we want, like this. Crop it up. You have some pre-made compositions, so you have 16 by 9, 9 by 16 for mobile, 4 by 4, 4 by 5, 2 by 3. Let's just keep it 16 by 9 because I think that looks really nice. And then let's go to the filters and apply a few different filters. This one looks like really nice, but no, it looks very bright. I'm not looking for a bright color. We'll just stick with the non-filter. Yeah. Now once you've done changes to the images, all you have to do is click on save and click on save and wait for the image to load, and then your thumbnail will be ready. And after that you can just change your description into whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Change it up, write whatever you want. If you want to delete it, all you have to do is click on this delete button. If you want to move it down a bit, make that section move down. The section will be moved down to over here, and that is basically it. And also if you want to come down, and if you guys come scroll down over here, you will see all these images. Now you can change these images as well. As I said before, click on the pen icon over here, and then all you have to do, and then you can change the layout of the images. You can change it to stripes, you can change it to simple, you can change it to full, whichever one you want. It doesn't really matter, it depends upon your liking. I think the masonry looked very nice, the image, the default layout of the image. And you can also change the spacing of these images by lowering this spacing over here. By decreasing the spacings, you can increase the columns, you can change the width, you can change it full bleed, inset. I think full looks nice. You can even add captions, you can even add the animation, fading animation, and lightbox as well. That is basically it. But what if you want to like change images? So all you have to do is click on this image button over here, and over here you will see that you have a lot of different options. You can like remove any images by clicking on the trash can icon over here, and once you do that, the image will be removed. It will ask you for if you want to remove that, confirm that, and the image is removed. Now what if you want to like add images? All you have to do is click on this plus icon over here. You can upload your very own custom image, but if you don't have one, you can just simply click on search images. Now this is your library. This was the image that we edited before. Now click on free image over here, and this will give you a variety of different images. Now since our website is search for food, and then choose whichever image that is most suitable for your website. So I think this one looks very nice. So click on add image, wait for it to load, and then just the image will be added. Now that's basically it. Then just simply close the gallery, and that is it. You've added more images, and now you know how to edit the basics of this website. Now if you're wondering how you can change the text and the fonts and the colors of the entire layout, just simple, easily, and more time efficient, all you have to do is simply click on this image over here on the right side, which says site styles. Now click on site styles, and over here you will have different options. You've got fonts, you've got colors, you've got animations, you've got button, image blocks, products, whichever you want. So if you want to change the fonts, all you have to do is click on select the font, and over here select a different pack. So let's just select serif, because I think that it looks really nice. Let's select this one right here and wait for it, and now as you can see, all the fonts have been changed on our website, and it was super easy, didn't take any time. You don't have to do it manually, just simply come over here and choose whichever one you like. Now let's change the colors up a bit. So go back, select colors, and over here you will have different palettes. You can edit that palette, or you can just customize your own custom theme. So we have lights, we have scroll down a bit, we have darker colors, we have lighter colors over here. Let's click on edit palette, and over here you will have some preset palettes over here. Choose whichever preset that you want. Let's just choose this one over here. Wait for it. As you can see, all the colors of our websites have changed, and that is basically it. That is how you edit your own website. Now how do you publish this website? So to publish this website, you have to buy a plan from this website. So to buy a plan, all you have to do is click on done, and then click on subscribe at the bottom right here. Now wait for the plans to load up. Now once the plans have loaded up, you can read all of these features and availabilities, whichever one you think is most beneficial to you, and then simply select that plan, and then choose if you want to pay it annually or if you want to pay it monthly, and that is basically it. So once you've selected the plan, let's just publish this website. So click on settings inside availability and choose public. Right now it's private, just click on public, and then your website will have published. And that is basically it. That is how you make your very own website using Squarespace. Now guys, that was it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions related to this video, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Now I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.